Welcome to today's video. We're exploring the RICE framework that is often used by product teams. RICE stands for Reach, Impact, Confidence, and Effort. It works like this. Reach measures the number of users affected. Impact estimates how much the feature will improve their experience. Confidence shows how sure you are about your estimates, and effort gauges the work required, typically in sprints or months. We will work on the to-do list app's roadmap as our example, calculating composite scores to objectively rank each feature. This approach ensures your team aligns on clear, actionable priorities. First up, why do we need to prioritize roadmap items? Simply put, it's about focusing on features that bring the most value with the least effort. Prioritization helps your team concentrate on high-impact features and avoid wasting resources on low-priority tasks. Let's look at some concrete examples for each element of RICE. And remember, the key is to ensure every team member understands these values. For Reach, you might consider a feature that affects only 10% of your user base versus one that reaches 100% of your users. For Impact, using a 1-5 scale, a rating of 3 could represent a moderate improvement in user experience. For Confidence, you can express certainty as a percentage, 10% indicating very low confidence, and 100% meaning complete certainty in your estimates. Lastly, for Effort, a score of 1 on a 1-5 scale implies minimal work, whereas a 5 represents a major resource-intensive project. Now, let's evaluate our to-do list app's roadmap items. For task creation and editing, our core functionality, we set the reach at 100%, impact at 5 for its critical role, confidence at 100% since it's well understood, and effort at 3 due to moderate work. For calendar integration, we assign a reach of 70% as it benefits many users, impact of 4, confidence at 80%, and effort of 2, making it relatively straightforward. Moving to mobile app development, we estimate a reach of 100%, because it targets all users. Impact at 3 as it's useful but not essential. Confidence at 60% due to some uncertainty. And effort at 5 because it's highly resource-intensive. For the collaboration feature, the reach is 50% impacting a subset of users, with an impact of 4. Confidence at 80%, and effort at 3 balancing significant benefit with moderate workload. Lastly, for dark mode UI, we set the reach at 40% impact at 3 for enhancing user experience, confidence at 100% for its clarity, and effort at 1 as it's a quick win. As you can see, the priority score offers a clear quantitative guide to determine which features should be tackled first. Additionally, grouping roadmap items into categories like strategic, quick wins, and maybe helps you further evaluate initiatives, identifying long-term, high-impact projects, easy-to-implement enhancements, or items that might need rethinking. This combined approach ensures a well-rounded and effective product planning process. Here are a few hints to ensure your prioritization process remains effective. First, make sure to conduct a regular review. These scores aren't set in stone, they can change as you receive user feedback and as market trends evolve. Secondly, practice collaborative scoring by involving your team to gain a balanced perspective on both value and effort. Thirdly, remember that context matters. Always take external factors, like market trends and competitor moves, into account. And importantly, ensure that the score values are clearly communicated to every team member so everyone is aligned on what each number signifies. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.